Hey everybody, welcome to Fox Valley Technical College. My name is Katie and I'm an admissions specialist here at the college. I am so excited because today you're going to learn all about our wood manufacturing technology program. Did you know that this program has been in the Oshkosh community since 1982? I am so excited because in this video you're going to hear from our two instructors, Mark Lorgy and Glenn Kerner. You're going to hear from some of our current students, some of our alumni, some employers to talk about career opportunities that are out there. You're also going to see some of the different equipment and different things that students get to do in the labs here. We have over $2 million worth of equipment in this wood manufacturing technology lab here in Oshkosh. So I'm so excited for you to learn more about the program. So let's hear from our instructors.
We tell our students this on the first day: this will be the fastest year of your life because we do so many different things. Every day there's another challenge. Every day there's another goal to achieve. And it's just, you start at 8 o'clock in the morning, and when 3 o'clock rolls around, you're done, and you say to yourself, what have I done today? And you can see tangibly what you have actually accomplished.
So the Wood Manufacturing Technology Program is designed to get people ready for a career in professional woodworking within a year. We have 2 entry points in the program. We start students in August and we also start in January. So the course is set up to just walk you through from basic, getting you acclimated to the equipment we have in the shop, to running our CNC controlled equipment, to final project exploration, furniture, cabinet construction. Pretty complete, comprehensive course. In a year, it goes by very quickly. You're out in the industry, making good money in a high demand career. Very hands-on. Our normal class time is from 8 o'clock till 3 o'clock, and of those 7 hours, we spend 6.5 of those in the shop making sawdust. So it's very hands-on. You're out in the shop, maybe watch a demo, receive some instruction, and then you get the opportunity to run the equipment and assemble or build whatever it is you're creating. So it's very hands-on, intensive.
Well, I didn't want to go to a 4-year college and get a degree I probably wouldn't use, so I decided to take the Wood Manufacturing Technologies class. My dad took it back in the day and he enjoyed it, so I thought I would do this for a year and see where it took me. The campus life was great. There was great camaraderie with the other students. It was always fun to be here, always a good time. There's definitely places for women here. You get to be creative and just put yourself out there and go for it.
I came to the program because I took some classes in high school and I wanted to learn more about woodworking and making it. It was one of my guidance counselors actually at my high school that kind of told me about it, and they actually had a family member take it, so they kind of could tell me a little bit about it. I thought it would be more fun than a 4-year college, I guess. I think that's just what I wanted to do, and I don't think I could do an office job.
Talk about the quality of the instructors. How important have they been for you?
Oh, it's crucial. It's you know, it's a lot of questions. You know, if you don't know and you got to ask, you know, you need someone there to help you and answer your questions and help you set up a machine or know what process to do, and it's crucial.
My dad was a woodworker since high school, and it's kind of been around our family my whole life. So I was kind of interested in working, and then I was looking into schools, and I was really interested in Fox Valley Tech because of the instructors and their years of experience, and it was really crazy all the different kinds of equipment that they had. Yeah, the hands-on experience is really awesome. It's all hands-on for the most part, except for a couple classes. But yeah, I get to utilize all the tools in the shop.
The equipment we have in our shop, we have from traditional equipment, you know, table saws, jointers, planers, very traditional. Maybe some of you are familiar with those pieces of equipment. And we just keep, the curriculum is designed to just keep advancing on that. So from there we'll go into operating a sliding table panel saw, shapers as you can see here. We have a lot of cabinet making equipment. We have boring machines, case clamps, edge banders. We have a really nice CNC router, 5x10 CNC router. We do a lot with our molder as well. Spray equipment finishing, we spray water-based, we spray solvent-based finishes. We throw a lot at you, and the idea is just there's so many facets to this industry that we just want you to be a well-rounded woodworker when you leave the program.
Well, it's a technical diploma, and when you leave here, the employers in the area, and I'm not talking just the Fox cities, we're talking statewide and in many cases nationwide. If you've come from Fox Valley Tech, you know you have a good sound basis of skills. You understand the terminology because we speak a very specific language when it comes to wood manufacturing technology. You know how to work. You know how to get here on time because looking at you as a potential employee, because we know so many industry people, so many business owners, so many company managers and HR people. What you leave here with, if I give you or if we give you a good positive recommendation, that opens a lot of doors.
Ashley, our HR manager here, we often joke the first call is to Mark and Glenn when we need to hire someone here. And I think in the last 7-ish years, we've hired 3 individuals from Fox Valley Tech. It becomes a no-brainer. Fox Valley Tech and its woodworking manufacturing program is based on a reputation of quality individuals, and that starts with Mark and Glenn. They're quality individuals educating those that elect to go there. So that reputation is built on quality not only in the workmanship, the craftsmanship, but also in the employee that comes to be from that program. I've been very impressed with the quality of individual that comes out of that program as far as their attentiveness to the real world, their ability to problem solve, their ability to work with their hands, but also the work ethic that comes along with them.
I really liked that we got to kind of do our own thing after a while. You know, you start out, it's very structured with that program. They show you what to do, how to use each one of the tools, and they give you a very basic exercise. But as you get further and further in the program, you start doing more and more of your own thing until by the end, you're kind of designing and doing your own projects, and the teachers are mostly there to kind of observe you and answer questions as they come up, but you're kind of doing your own thing, and that's a big deal to me. Well, I mean, there's always more to learn, and it is only a 1-year program, so there's only so much they can cover. And this isn't all woodworking here, so there's a lot of stuff that program didn't cover that we do here, but it covers a lot. And I would not have been able to pick up as quickly as I did without that education, that's for sure. I think it's something that sometimes high school students don't think about. They don't think about the tech schools, they don't think about stuff like that. They're always looking for the 4-year college, and I think it's easy to overlook them. It's a great education, it's affordable, and there's a lot of great careers that you can get out of that. I think that sometimes people miss that, but I'm so glad I decided to go back to school because I wasn't happy with where I was, and I love my job now, I really do.
I went to Fox Valley Tech in 2016 and 17, and I've been working here at ConceptWorks for going to be 4 years this year. Right out of high school, I went to Tech, and right out of Tech school, I got this job here at 19. The education at Fox Valley Tech did give me a wide range of know-how, I guess. It really gave me a hands-on experience that allowed me to dive headfirst into the fast-paced work environment here at ConceptWorks. The whole hands-on experience is really was the best fit for an education for me. As someone who knew they were going into the trades with a love of woodworking, the class at Fox Valley Tech, the obvious next step for me, where it gave me an education that eased my way into the workforce.
They've both been rock stars, each in their own regard. Graham's been with us for about 4 years now. Yeah, 4 years already. He came to us fresh out of the program. Prior to that, he was fresh out of high school and really did hit the ground running. Today, he's called it a lead on our second shift, running our CNC router and predominantly running a lot of our mechanical aspects on that shift, really owning it soup to nuts. Patrick has been with us since September of 2020, so his tenure here is relatively short, but even with that short tenure, he's really jumped into the pool, so to speak, and you know, we didn't ask if he knew how to swim, we just made the presumption and just kind of shoved him into the pool, and he's doing really well in his own regard, taking on a lot of unique projects, again, soup to nuts, really just embracing that problem-solving mindset and the skill set that they both amassed at Fox Valley Tech.
If you have a real passion for this and you'd like to combine, working with your hands, being creative, combine that with the technology to make it faster, more efficient, and better and more accurate, it's the perfect marriage of all those things into one career. So it's a lot of demands for woodworking right now, and there's a lot of rewards to getting into a career like this, rewards that go well beyond just getting a paycheck.
I'd say the secret ingredient in life is to chase what makes you happy, to chase your passion. You know, the world is full of a lot of distractions, a lot of noise, a lot of people saying you should do this, you should entertain that. Really, I'd say what is it that makes you happy? What are you passionate about? And then chase that passion with 110% of your effort. If you like working with your hands, you are a unique individual that the world is going to heavily demand as you enter the working world. So embrace those passions, chase those dreams, work hard, study hard, be a great person of great character, great attitude. Be aware of how you carry yourself, because that will set you up for success.
How amazing was that? I am so glad that you were able to learn a little bit more about our wood manufacturing technology program here at Fox Valley Technical College. So, what are your next steps? I would love to help you get started. You're welcome to contact me at any time. My information is frost@fetc.edu, or you can call me at 920-236-6112, or you're welcome to send me a text message at any time at 920-383-3416.